We had 2 wonderful days with up to 60 members from the DESIGNAE cross-section. We are looking towards strategies on how to connect people from different fields. This per se is a challenge that we want to overcome within this cross-section.
What I'm looking forward to with this action is to connect throughout whole Europe and think about how we care for the world and have a culture that is caring as well. Change the way people think and behave and connect with each other and the natural world around them.
Biodesign is this all sort of chaos and confusion, and so we are here to define it, to conceptualize it, and to inform not only the experts but researchers and professionals that want to know more and to perform biodesign.
I think it's very important to gather different fields of research and to have these different views of the same problem and hopefully work together, try to restore the environment and also to involve the people into this step forward into science.
I think the world is going through a moment of transition right now, and design as a discipline within that also seems to be going through a kind of existential moment where it's trying to make sense of what value it can bring to this changing world. And I think within that context, something like a DESIGNAE that's truly multidisciplinary, I think is extremely timely and really needed.
It's very important to enlarge our vision out of our field of knowledge and learn from other fields and competencies.
At the end, we are all using the same building blocks, but talking different languages. So to integrate everything in one single project, I think that can bring a lot of advantages in terms of knowledge exchange and bringing new opportunities that we could never imagine.
What I expect from this conference is to get a real read for what's happening right now on the kind of cutting edge of biodesign at an intersection of design, inclusive design, speculative design, other fields that may not necessarily have a long history of intersecting with one another.
I was very surprised because in my working group, I have me, a designer, and then we have also lawyers, we have also economists, and we have philosophers. And at the beginning, we were like, okay, what should we discuss? It's like too many different heads. As the discussion goes on, we kind of found as we shared the same interest, so discussion evolved and it became very much interesting.
And I found it really valuable to see the diversity of perspectives and opinions that are representative of what biodesign is and what it can be. So I feel like the field really has really scratched the surface of where it will go into the future as we consider how human nature entanglement can really be demonstrated in the future of our processes of development.
I have not been to a conference with this kind of disciplinary range, and at the same time with such a careful and intentional scaffolding that's allowed these different knowledges to proliferate and engage with each other.
The people who are here are super open, they are willing to share and to teach us designers how we can really work with the living and how to apply it in our daily work. So I'm looking forward for the next 4 years, and I hope we can learn a lot, connect a lot, and create a great community.